Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are extremely well. This is Higo, the founder of FinMeUp, and I'll be sharing with you my favorite company listed on the JSE, my favorite company to invest in, as well as my largest holding on my JSE portfolio. And that company is Purple Group. I'll jump into that in a moment. Just a quick reminder that FinMeUp, you can go download the app on the App Store and Google Play. So basically, FinMeUp is a platform where you can enrich your business, finance, and investing knowledge. We have various features for that. We have daily quizzes you can do. We have stock picks where we share our research and opinions on what we are buying and selling in shares and stocks and ETFs and everything. We have podcasts and summaries. And we have an investing game that you can compete against your friends, which is a very fun game. And we've also got a discussion forum where you can ask questions you have regarding shares or business or startups or economics, whatever, as well as answers. So go check that out. We'll also be launching FinMe University in a few months' time. We'll be able to do some courses. So let's get back into Purple Group. So Purple Group is listed on the JSE. It's a South African-based company. It is now 56 cents a share. So it's still very, very small. But like I said, they are my largest holding on my JSE portfolio. And to understand why, here are some of the facts. So EasyEquities, so Purple Group owns EasyEquities, GT247.com, Empress Asset Managers. But from all the companies, EasyEquities is my favorite. And I think there is so much growth ahead just in every aspect. So they have EasyEquities South Africa, where you can buy JSE companies and ETFs. You can also invest in EasyEquities USD, where you can buy American shares like Tesla and Microsoft and Apple, whatever. They've also launched now EasyEquities Australia, where you can buy Australian companies, as well as EasyEquities Properties coming soon, Easy Prop, whatever they're going to call it. But so they focus on fractional investing. So let's say you have 50 Rand to invest, but Tesla is $10,000 for example in a few years, but you only have 100 Rand. Now they allow you to buy a partial investment in that company. So you own a portion of one share, but you get all the benefits of the dividends, the capital growth. So it's like a normal investing, but you can buy shares with any amount you have, large or small. So they've gained a lot of users that are still small investors. They also have big investors with large capital amounts. But this is why I like the company for the long term. Because remember, so currently they have just north of 400,000 active users or investors. And they get their revenue through the volumes of the trades, because they take a small transaction fee on each trade. And over the long term, those north of 400,000 users, even if they are small, over time, their net worth and their income will grow, as well as the amounts they invest. So now they are gaining a massive market share, which is good for the long term, because as the net worth and income grows from their users and the confidence levels of investing, the more the people will invest, the greater the revenue for EasyEquities. So EasyEquities are the lowest, they're charging the lowest fees in South Africa to invest on. The platform is also very simplistic. I think most people that use it would say it is just a phenomenal platform, like myself. And that brings me on to my next point. I've never seen a company with such a strong community of users. Their customers or their users are saints for EasyEquities. I mean, I'm a client of EasyEquities. I use them to invest on, and I've personally referred about 25 of my friends just because it's so amazing, and it's a good movement. It allows people to invest in their future, to invest in financial independence. And it gives people something to talk about, to relate to, access and the low fares. So they are basically, if you've heard of Robinhood in America, they are basically the Robinhood of South Africa, as some say. Some say they are the Capitec for investing, whatever you want to call them. Speaking about Capitec, they made a deal with Capitec, or a partnership with Capitec not long ago, where the EasyEquities or the Capitec users will be able to use their banking app to invest in shares, which happens through the EasyEquities platform. So it will be very simplistic for Capitec users to go into their banking app, invest in shares, and that happens through EasyEquities. Now, Capitec has 6 million customers. So if 2% of those customers use the opportunity to invest in shares, only 2% of the 6 million possible customers, it means 120,000 extra active customers for EasyEquities. Now, that is a massive partnership. It's also good for their brand, and that is just, it shows you how innovative they are, how they are expanding the management team, and their deal-making abilities and skills. And I mean, with the situation going on in the world, I mean, pre-lockdown, they added about 10,000 users a month, and now they are adding about 50,000 clients a month. So how many businesses can you actually say are growing at that rapid rate? That is about 500% increase or growth increase in times like these. I mean, that is amazing, and you can invest in that company on the JSE. That's why I invest in them. Also, they are now able to do in a week what they usually did in a month because of the amount of users being active and investing. And they also have a good community sense. They allowed people to donate for good. 1,800 clients that used that opportunity to donate through the EasyEquities platform. So that is also great. So overall, I love Purple Group. It's still a small company, 56 cents. You should still do your own research on them. In the comments section, leave us what you think. Do you like them? Don't you like them? Have you used EasyEquities? Are you a Purple Group buyer? You can also drop some comments of companies you'd like us to cover. You can go check out the companies that we do like on the stock pick section on the FinMeUp app. There are a few companies that we are buying, like Purple Group. But yeah, overall, Purple Group and EasyEquities and all the companies, it is, I'm going to sum it up shortly. Great company, great management, great expansion, great innovation, great tactics, great partnering skills, great investment. So I don't know what to say more. Just that I love this company, and they're really growing their market share a lot and very, very fast. And the way of marketing and the way they are growing is through word of mouth, and that is the most important marketing aspect you can have in a business. Like I said, we are launching FinMeUp University in a few months' time, where we will also be launching online courses. And one of the courses will be how to start and scale a business. And one of the most important principles of marketing in that course, like we said as well, is word of mouth. And to be able to create a way for people and create excitement for people to talk about your product to their friends, to be a saint for you. And that is what EasyEquities executed perfectly. I mean, people are talking about them where you go, and that is why they are growing at such rapid rates, even in times like these. And as time goes on, the current users will invest more, the new users will invest more, and they also recently showed a profit. And it's still a small profit, but for such a high-growing tech company, because basically they produce software. So it is a tech company and a software company. So there is so much potential, so much growth ahead. And I'm holding my shares for years and years and years. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll see, well, my name on Twitter is Higo Van. I did a post the other day where I said I'll retweet that comment or that tweet when Tesla hits $3,000 a share, because that is my favorite American company, when Purple Group hits R2 a share, and when FinMeUp hits 50,000 users. So I'm excited to see how long that takes. hopefully sooner than later. Check out the description below if you want to check out more on what I said about FinMeUp and where you can read more about it and sign up and so on. Leave in the comment section what you think of Purple Group, and have a blessed day. Cheers.